Hi everyone and welcome to my place. I wanted to share how to make a really simple but elegant arrangement, and I also wanted to share my passion with decoupage, because it means that you can take a vase, any kind of a vase, and take a paper serviette or napkin in a design that suits you, and I'll put the link so that you can have a look at how quick and easy decoupaging is, and then you can make a container to suit and match your decor or your flowers or both. So what I've done here is I've just gone a little bit further and I've spray painted the base so that I had that lovely solid black, and then just that transition of the lovely little spots. It's not neat and tidy, but I didn't want it to be neat and tidy, because in this arrangement, not only am I going to use the French eucalyptus, which is just gorgeous, and I love the colorway through my vase here, I'm also going to use these lovely king white proteas. Now these are quite textural, and I love the texture within the cavity of the protea, and I thought that's why I've done this vase, because I wanted to have that lovely, like, the colorways that would lend and connect in with something. Because even like if you put them into the vase, yes, it looks quite nice in the vase, but just to take it to another level with the added textural qualities and the patterning on the exterior of the vase, I thought was going to be really lovely and in keeping. Okay, so I've got 2 pieces of the French eucalyptus into there, and I've got 3 of the proteas. So what I'm going to do with those is I'm just going to put those into my vase with equal distance between each one. Now, the reason, also put your foliage in first, and what that will do is that'll give you a network in which, or a foundation in which to hold your flowers. So just as like sort of equal distance between your placements. Now with the roses, I just thought that this would be lovely with the roses, and there's something very nice about white. So 1 into there, 1 down into there, and then I'll bring the 3rd one and place that into there. Now I've got these lovely Real Touch roses that we've got here as part of the collection at Prestige Botanicals, and when you touch them, they actually feel like they're real. I think that's really clever. So with those, I'm just going to put 1 into there, 1 over to there, and then 1 in and over to there. And if you need to lift those, just wait until you've placed it and then just give it a wee lift up. How quick and easy was that? That's the designing that I love. See you again another day.